Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making slime. Last time I made glow in the dark slime, but I didn't show it to you guys. And we have the activator over here. We have regular glue. Here's mine. This one was my brother's, but I don't want to use this because it's almost done. If you think it's right there, it's not. It's like right here. Okay. And here's activator. Here's the first glue. Here's the second glue. Okay, I'm gonna show you something, so just stay right here for a minute, okay? Okay, I have this slime that came from this bottle. So if you guys want to see it, give me 2,000 likes if you want me to show you this slime. Okay, now let's get started with the glue. So we have school glue, this glue, and we have Emerald's magic liquid. Okay, so we're gonna do mini, miny, mo. Mini, miny, mo. Catter, tatter, tatter. So my mom said you are out. Okay, but I really want to use this one. Well, I'm just gonna try this one. Okay, let me go get the bowl and the spoon. I'll be right back. Okay, here's a knife because I don't have enough spoon, and here's the container. Okay, so let's put these behind. Okay, sorry, that's a mess. So we have that, but give me 5,000 likes if you want me to show you my glitter slime. Okay, so I'm going to be using the school glue. So you guys are going to be watching me how I'm going to do it. Okay, so I'm going to grab the container, open it. There you go. Okay, and then we have the container. We're going to have our spoon, actually a knife. Here's our school glue. I never used this one. I don't know why, but let's open it up. Okay, oh my gosh. Look inside. Ugh. Okay. Now let's make it. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of glue. That's a lot of glue. Oh my gosh, my brother's gonna get so mad at me. Okay, let's close it because that's enough. That's enough. Okay. Now let's put a little bit of activator because I don't want to put too much because the last time I made the slime, it was horrible. Okay. I never made slime before, but this one was my second one. My first one, I gave it to my friend. Here's my third one. Okay, it's pretty going so far. Ugh, so sticky a little. Well, let's just mix it up. Okay, guys. It looks so gooey, if you guys can see it. Okay, I think it's time to put some activator. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you. Smash that like button and give this a big thumbs up. and to subscribe to my channel. And I think I have one more chance. Look at this glue, okay? But I'm gonna turn off all the lights. Oh my gosh, it's glowing. I didn't know if you guys can see it, but it's actually glowing. I don't know if you guys can see it right now, but it's glowing. I think you can see it. It's glowing, right? Okay. So, let me turn on the lights. Put some more activator. Oh no, I think I put too much activator, I think. I don't know if you guys were here, you should actually smell this. It smells dang horrible. Oh, if you guys want to see my YouTube channel, just go to Amy Ortega and it will be right there. You can see all my YouTube channel. I'm really new to YouTube. I don't know how to use YouTube, by the way, but I don't know. Ew. Sorry guys, I never touched slime before. Well, I did. I just never touch it when it's so gooey. I think we need more activator. Do we need more activator or do we not? Well, I think we need more activator. More activator it is. Okay, that's enough. I don't want put too much. Okay, now let's just take it off. Ugh, feels so horrible. If you guys play Roblox, comment your username and I might give you a free legendary unicorn or a dragon, what kind of pet, or any pets or cars and adopted me. I'll give you anything. So it's kind of sticky right now, and it's kind of working, if you guys can see. Yeah. I think we need a little bit more activator. Okay. So gooey. It won't come off. Okay, I think we need a little bit of activator. Oh, that's too much. That's too much. Okay, this is going to be for my brother's slime because I already have one. It's this one. So I'm going to be making this one for him. He was so mean to me. He said, that's my slime. And I said, no. So let's look at this slime. Okay. Oh my gosh. I think I just ruined it. Let me in the comments, how do you make slime? Because I don't know. This is like my third time. Oh. This is my last time that I'm going to be making slime because my mom, she only lets me because we went to the Walmart to buy my brother's school supplies. And I'm going to miss slime because I'm not going to even have no activator, no glue. Oh, it's kind of working together. It's making some bubbles. Oh my gosh, sorry. Oh my gosh, let me fix it. Okay, so right now it's like a little bit a little bit good. I don't have no glitter or anything. I only have just this. So let me know in the comments what should I do next in my next vlog. I usually make videos on Friday or Saturday or I don't know what days, because every single time I have to go somewhere, so I might not do videos every single day though, but I think Saturday and Sunday I'll be making videos. And here's the slime. Okay, the slime is ready, and the slime is super stretchy. Actually, no. Oh, kinda. But it's still stretchy though. It's stretchy. It's soft. It doesn't even make so fluffy. I didn't even put shaving cream, and it's so fluffy. Look at this slime. Okay, I think we're done. Oh, we just gotta take this off. Okay. So right now I'm gonna be ending this video right here, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and give this a big thumbs up if you like this video. But if you give it a thumbs down, that means you don't feel so happy. You must give this a turn that down to up, so you guys can be on my video every single day. Okay, so bye, and give this a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.